Hello guys, welcome to the Frontend Spark, and today we'll discuss about modules and namespace. What is module, or how can we create the modules in TypeScript? Modules are a way to organize the code into smaller pieces so that the program can import those code from different part of the application. That is kind of modules. A module can be created by using keyword export, and a module can be used in another module using keyword import. Let's see with some examples, then we can understand how module works. So I just created one module folder, and inside that I'll just create another like file name module.ts. So before going to the file module.ts, I want to explain the txconfig.json. In here you can see we are using module common js. Like to create the modules, you have to write this module config here. So what you learn from the definition is like we can create the module by using keyword export, right? So first I'll just write some simple function like function add. Then I'm giving a number. Then this is also number. If I'll do this, I'll just return a number, right? Fine. Then I'll just return the number like return a plus b. अब हम लोग को सेम चीज I'll just create for the subtract function also. ठीक है, subtract कर दिया. इसमें I will do minus. Just do some bit here. Okay. If I want to write this function as a export, then it's basically I'm creating modules for it. Like export this function or like export this function. Okay. Now, if I want to use this function in another file, then I can use the import keyword. Suppose I'll just move this file to the modules. Yeah. I'll just create the ts main.ts file. Here, just simply call those function here like import, then from this, yes, modules is there. It will be confusing, so I'll just do some changes name here. Module example. Yeah. So now what we can do here, so we can just call this method, and if you'll just use this method also like console.log, then I'm giving something true 3, then console.log. If I give subtract, then if I give 4, like 5, 3, this. Yeah, so now we can run this file and let's see what happened. tsc, then modules, then main. Okay. We can see the JS file also generated after compile this TS file. We can see the main.js here. They are used require to import those file basically, right? It's a like module dot add then this dot subtract. Okay, so this is how we can create the modules. We can export function, class, interface, whatever, and we can import those things to another file. We can do one thing like, see here we have used the export 2 times. Instead of that, we can just use okay, export, then add, then subtract. So no need to export to write 2 times. Okay. Now you can do one thing. If you want to change this name, then what we can do? In here also we can do like okay, add as, add items, add 2 items, subtract as, like subtract 2 items. Now we can see it's throwing error because the name has been changed. Now if I'll give the subtract two items like that, okay. Here also we can do the some changes like add. So now you can give the add. And there is another way to access these things also. If you write something as module example like this, uh, like whatever the name will be convention for you, you can write it this dot add two items, then this dot subtract two items. So that's it from the module perspective. Now we'll discuss about the namespace. What is the namespace? So namespaces allow developer to create separate units that can be used to hold multiple values like classes, properties, interface types. To create namespace, we have to use the namespace keyword. So this is behave like a container for variables, classes, function और interfaces. तो सब कुछ एक ही जगह में रखना है ना, the namespace is a fine. Like एक ही जगह में रख के हम उसको use कर सकते हैं. And modules like if I want to use a reusable component or like reusable some function, then क्या कर सकते हैं उसको, like we can write in a file, then I can use it in some different part of the application. So now we'll write some example with the namespace. Namespace.ts. Let's see. I'll just write a namespace. Namespace. Yeah. I'm writing person detail namespace. If here I'll just write kind of the class, like class the person uh, and if I write the constructor, then um, if I write like okay the private name, then here the n equals to string whatever I'll provide, then this dot name will be then n. Okay. Now if I write this if I create an object for this person, like let p equals to new, then person or the class name I'll just give a capital here, person here I'll just provide avi. Okay. So in this way we can access the person inside the namespace. But if I'll go outside and just write this namespace, then it is not giving me the option to create it. So in that way we can just use the encapsulation concept like to protect our data from the outside, right? Here if I'll do something like okay export uh, class person, then we can use okay sorry then we can use this dot namespace. Okay, so here we have used the person details namespace, and but if I want to use this namespace in another file, then you can see how can we'll do that. I'll just write the same thing like main.ts here, but for the namespace we have to use the reference path, like so the reference reference path. And if I give here now, if I'll use this the let p equals to this namespace, then new this namespace dot the person, then I can just pass avi. Okay, if I run this, then you can see it's throwing some error or not, like namespace then main. Yes, so it's throwing error because cannot find the person details namespace. The path I have given is like okay I have to use this. Now you can see it's throwing error or not. No, it's not throwing an error. Then you can see this is how the JS file has been created. And now by console.log, then p, how it's given here, tsc, then node namespace main.js. because showing that it's not defined. For that, we have to combine the whole thing here. I will do simply like ts, then just simply call this method the tsc target. We are targeting this file, then we're just creating a new file out.js, and all the things will be all together. Let's see. If you run this command, then you can see the out.js has been created. Here we can in here you can see the namespace already has defined, and we are calling this namespace. So we don't have any issue right now. Let me check. Now I'll just do out.js. Right now you can see this person object with this name value Avi. Okay. So in that way we can write the namespaces. That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe. We'll meet you in the next session.